All right, we're back here today with Joshua demonstrating for us how easy it is to change an air filter and a cabin air filter in a Tundra. Our video on the oil change has been a huge hit. I know the oil changes are a little bit different on a Tundra than your normal vehicles, but we're going to show you how easy a cabin air filter and an air filter is to change. So the way this works is, on the air filter, is you just pop these two little clips, one on each side of the air box. You just kind of lift up, and then you grab the air filter out from there. Get the new one out of the box and hope it's the right one. This is the second time we filmed this because the first time the filter was wrong.
This way?
Yep. And we just put that back in there, right back in the hole. And then back here in the back, you got to make sure these clips are up underneath, but it is very simple. Then you reclip the front clips. And there you go. Now the air filter is finished. So you see there, Tundra is so simple to do this. So we pay about $20, $25 for a really good quality air filter. You go get it done at an oil change place or your shop, and you're probably looking at $35 just to do a cheap filter. And if you do a good filter like this, you're probably looking about $45, $50 for them to do it. So good way to save some money. Let's head into the inside of the Tundra now, and we're going to show you how easy it is to do your own cabin air filter. All right, so now we're inside the Tundra. So the cabin air filter in the Tundra is inside the glove box. So you just open the glove box, then you'll get all the junk out of the way that's in the glove box. And then you're going to grab that little tray and you're going to snap it out of the way. You just kind of grab it, give it a tug, and it'll snap out. There you go. Okay, and then you just take it out of the way. And then we'll get the rest of the junk out of there first before we go to the next step. All right, and then in the back, you'll see that little door down there. You just kind of push up on the little door. I'll try to get back there so you can see this. And then there's another little door, and you grab the little clip on each end and push it in. And then you just pull out, and the little door comes off. There you go, and there's the cabin air filter. So you'll grab the old cabin air filter out, and you'll notice there's an arrow on the end that shows up. We want to make sure we do the same on the new filter. And then you'll just get that filter, slide it right back in the hole. You'll repeat the process, putting the door in and then kind of sliding it downward to click it in place. Hang on, you didn't put the outer door. You got the outer door. Yeah, so the first door you just push in and you'll hear the clips click. This one you just put in, kind of put it towards the top just a little bit and then slide down and you'll hear it click into place. Okay. Okay. And then you just repeat putting your shelf back in, put all the junk back in the glove box, and the project is complete. So this is a simple one. You saw it took about 5 minutes to do both filters. I know cabin air filters, getting them changed, are about $35 to $45 typically. You can buy these filters for about $12. So you can save a significant amount of money by doing these yourself. So anyway, that's it. Joshua did a great job. Now we see a 11-year-old can do this job. So any of us can do it and save you money. So, all right, so Joshua got this all finished up for us, and so we are out for this time. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see you next time right here on Dad's Garage.